What is up, guys? Jordan here with M-Works Detailing. We are on set right now. Just got to the client's house, set up all the goodies, and we're about to detail this beautiful GT53 AMG. This is a very special car because it has a matte paint job. So as you can see with the close-ups, the paint job is pretty cool, and we're gonna get these wheels really cleaned up. They are very, very caked on with brake dust, so that's gonna be one of our main focuses. Usually, like bigger luxury cars, they have really big brake rotors. To slow this big vehicle down, it needs a lot of stopping power, so that produces a lot of brake dust. Inside of the vehicle isn't too bad. We're just gonna do, this is just like a maintenance wash, so nothing too crazy, but enjoy the process of us washing. We're gonna go ahead and start with the interior, and then we will wash the exterior, so enjoy. Alright, so we just went ahead and finished up the inside of the car. We vacuumed, wiped everything down, got it cleaned up. Like I said, inside of the car wasn't too bad, so that didn't take too long. Now we're going to go ahead and switch gears. We're going to focus on the exterior. We're going to go ahead and wash it. We're going to get it cleaned up. So we're going to foam it down, and we'll show you the process. Alright, enjoy. Alright, so we're about to clean this wheel. We sprayed it down with all the good stuff, and as you can see, it looks disgusting. So watch what the magic of the pressure washer with the combination of the chemicals do. See it all? That thing looks brand new without even touching it. That's insane. Are you zooming?
Yeah.
Alright, so we just foamed down the car. Now we're going to go ahead and wash it by hand. We're using very thick plush pads to wash these cars. So yeah, we foamed it down. It's looking real good. Now we're about to wash it. So we just went ahead and cleaned the whole car down. We used the mitts. We cleaned the wheels. Those things were filthy, as you guys have seen. So now we're gonna use deionized water. So 100% clean water takes all the minerals out of the water. Spray it down, and then after we spray it down, we're gonna go ahead and dry it off, and we are done. Enjoy, guys. Alright, so we went ahead and finished this car, 100% done. We cleaned the wheels really good. We washed it. This was just a maintenance wash, so not much to it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inside of the car, but take a look at the outside. Looks great, looks really, really good. Same thing goes for the inside. Looks amazing. So as you can see, the wheels came out really good. You guys saw the before. The before was crazy, caked on brake dust, and as you guys can see, the after looks a ton better. So that was today's detail. Hopefully you guys like this one. This is the Mercedes GT53 AMG, all cleaned up, matte paint job. We're about to switch gears. We're gonna switch to the Ford Raptor, but hopefully you guys like this video. We're gonna stick this one back in the garage. If you like these type of videos, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.